sometimes when we are having an emotional outburst and it is uncontrollable, and
Mm.
sometimes when we recognize that in our friends, we give them that space to first vent and first let them feel like that they've been heard. After we've given them that feeling, we will then try to give them sound advice pertaining to their particular problems that they're having, but also give them some action items, some concrete steps to take. And also there should be some sort of accountability. So someone needs to actually also check up on you many days or weeks or however much time you guys have agreed on to check up on each other. And this is what true friends do. However, sometimes it's difficult to find a friend like this through the virtual world. Sometimes it's
Yeah,
much easier to find this friend in real life.
yeah. Finding a
Yeah,
friend is a real challenge.
I
Finding
agree.
emotions disturb people.
This isn't true. Naturally, as I mentioned, we are reactionary and we do get emotional. But of course, controlling that is the challenge. Do I get emotional and do I make mistakes? Sure. We're all human beings. Everyone does. And we're all built like that. So the real test is in trying to control that and be as rational as possible at all times, even though it's difficult. And just trying to find that balance is the important part. Easier said than
Um,
done, as they say.
Easier
Easier said
said
than done.
than done.
Yeah.
Easier said than done.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?